Already have a heartbeat?
Same.
Already screamed?
I didn't scream.
It's fucking Wesker, you fuck!
That's good.
I hate Wesker so much. Oh, that's...
Oh, good.
That was good. I wasted all my time!
Our Twitcher friend is doing her hair and standing AFK. I'm watching her stream. I'm gonna unfollow her.
I'm wasting his time.
I'm halfway through a gen. You're doing good.
Ha! Ah! He has a totem, it looks like.
I don't see anything on my screen, so it must be like after you get hit or downed. Oh, you're far from me. I might be able to finish this. Let's see. Oh, I see a red thing in my bottom right. Looks like a broken log. I don't know what that does.
Yeah,
does that mean he can vault pallets?
I don't know. No.
I might be mega fucked. We're about to find out.
Ace could have gotten me off like 3 times at this point. Oh, good. Now he's getting chased. Now I won't be getting got. Well, that's extremely bad.
It's not epic. Oh, that's not great. Oh, he's running away, maybe.
He's coming right to me.
I'm gonna get that Vittorio off.
Is he no, or is he getting lucky?
Come this way, come this way.
I'm at check.
Damn it! I'm super dead. There's no way I'm not dead. Fucking idiot! If somebody gets you off the hook, spam crouches and walks in a direction, fucking follow them! Heal me here. Thank you.
It is. Dude, fucking leave me alone. Hi.
Oh, hi!
No, not you. The ace won't leave.
I'm hiding in a locker.
Who screamed?
Me in the locker, but he didn't come get me. He walked right.
He came to me instead! What? That angle didn't exist! What the fuck? He instant broke the pallet. I don't get Wesker just being able to make up angles.
Yeah, I'm totally in agreement with you there, dude.
I was hidden behind a rock and he was able to frickin' stun me through the fucking... He charged at me somehow.
Come on, give me a skill check.
I've gotten like 3 gens to 40% and then I get chased off of me because Ace keeps bringing them right to me.
Oh, Vittorio?
Mm-hmm.
My god, we've only gotten 1 gen so far. I thought we were at least
There's a bunch
at 2.
that are started.
No, I know. I'm on a really difficult one right now, but my heartbeat is fucking massive! Hiding in a closet. You don't see nothing!
Please tell me you weren't at full health.
I think I was. I'm hung outside the house.
I hate. Go after the other person. Go after the other person. Why are you going after me? Good. Is this fucking moron behind me? Yeah, of course he is. Why wouldn't he? You don't deserve this heal. This one's almost done.
This one's at 0, but it's pretty far away, so I'm hoping he doesn't come this way. Oh, he's coming this way.
Well, that's her first hook, so that's okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go for her.
Do it. Hopefully I get a skill check I can hit perfectly. I hit that perfect. You stupid. Here.
Miss me, bitch!
Are you near Shack?
No! I'm on the road! Well, now I'm near Shack because he fucking force shoved me into it. Fuck you. He ignored my pallet. He missed! Oh my god, why are you all standing in one spot? What the fuck, guys? I'm literally anywhere else!
Maybe they want to draw aggro since you're on death hook.
I think he's trying to, yeah. Vittorio actually did do that.
I'm in Shack. Halfway done.
Okay.
I can heal you too.
If I make it. Oh my god! Me and Vittorio tried to draw the aggro and we both ran into the downstairs of that building at the same time and ran into each other halfway through.
We should heal each other.
I'm just
He
gonna
slugged her?
No, because I'm memeing on him right now.
What do you mean?
I'll send you the video. Basically, we were running around, I turned a corner, and he was on the opposite end of that hole in the wall. I'm gonna try for this gate, but he's definitely just gonna come straight for me, so...
I'm opening this one.
I'll just come to you then, because there's no way I survive this.
If I open it, I'm getting the fuck out.
Is it behind Shack?
Right next to Shack, yep.
Can you body block, perhaps?
Yeah. I don't know where you are.
I'm coming, like, look out of the door to the left. I'm coming right up the side. It's, oh.
Time to go.
Oh.
We were both on death hook, so
yeah.
I don't feel bad about that. I love the rage quit